Alright, crafty friends, in part 2 of working our flower petals, I'm going to speed it up a little bit while I work petals 4 through 11. Then on petal 12, we're going to go back to our normal speed and I will show y'all how to finish off your petals. Starting my chain 8 for petal number 5. Starting petal number 6. Petal number 7. Now I'm starting petal number 8. Petal number 9, we're almost there. Now we're on petal 10. Petal number 11. Alright, y'all, our last and final petal, petal number 12. And now I am back to real-time speed and I am wrapping up my last half double crochet on this 12th petal, doing my 2 single crochets. Working my slip stitch in the base of this 12th petal to close this one off, and then working my slip stitch in the next chain space. And then to finish off this round, I'm just going to work a slip stitch in the base of the very first petal at the beginning of the row and pull that tight. I need to leave a 36-inch tail to sew my petal to the blue panel, so I'm just pulling my yarn tail through the last loop on my hook, pulling that tight, and then we're ready for making the panels. Catch me in the next video. You'll just need your crochet hook, your orange yarn, and your instructions.